Coffee. The caffeine kick from a cup of java boosts your metabolism, gets your blood pumping, and could also enhance endurance by releasing fat stores, giving you the energy to last all night. Oysters. Yes, there's a reason for their sexy reputation. Oysters are rich in mineral zinc and vitamin B-C, both of which are vital for testosterone, without which you'd have the sex drive of a dead slug. If the thought of gray shellfish goop sliding down your throat makes you gag, boost your testosterone with nuts and seeds instead. Chilies. Spice up your love life with chilies. When your face flushes after eating a curry, that's the blood vessels expanding thanks to the effect of the chilies. And it's not just the blood vessels in your face that gets the boost, if you know what I mean. Biologically speaking, a hard-on is simple hydraulics, more liquid blood being forced into little tubes, blood vessels, in your penis, so what you need is a strong heart and smooth, healthy pipework. Bananas. Hard men have healthy hearts, so eat bananas for potassium, which is great for your heart and circulation. Getting enough potassium helps you keep your sodium levels under control, stopping your blood pressure from hitting the roof and reducing your risk of heart problems. If you eat too much salt and don't like bananas, get your potassium from oranges or jacket potatoes, the minerals inside the skin. Salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids in oily fish make the blood less sticky, enhancing blood flow to the parts that matter. Eat fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, and fresh tuna twice a week to keep your arteries well oiled. Pork. Contrary to popular belief, the penis does not have a mind of its own. To make it a fine and understanding specimen, your neurons must be coordinated with military precision. You need thiamine, aka vitamin B1, for a healthy nervous system, so eat pork to help fire your swimmers in the right direction. Can't or don't eat pig? Get your B from beans and the wholemeal bread. Cherries are packed full of anthocyanins, colorful plant chemicals which protect your artery walls, helping prevent the fatty plagues that lead to atherosclerosis or clogged arteries. Don't fancy cherries? Berries or brightly colored fruits such as peaches, nectarines, and plums will all keep your arteries smooth as a baby's nether regions. The phytochemical allicin in onions and garlic cleans the blood and enhances your circulation, as well as making it less likely to clot or clog. Avoid unsexy onion breath by chewing parsley or peppermints. You're welcome. Wine, especially red wine, is a great source of the antioxidant phytochemical resveratrol, which helps open the arteries by enhancing the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide allows the blood vessels to expand, and this is how Viagra works. But while the little blue pill only works on tiny blood vessels, resveratrol helps your main arteries too. Make sure you stop at 1 or 2 glasses of wine. Too much alcohol leads to the dreaded droop. Porridge isn't sexy, but the soluble fiber in oatmeal mops up cholesterol, helping keep your blood vessels smooth and stretchy. So get your oats. I know it's been a few years, guys, and I deeply apologize for that, but I'm back now, thankfully. If you have any topic ideas or questions about today's video, leave them in the comment box below. This is The Imperfect Man, and I'll see you guys next vlog. Peace.